The Beck Hopelessness Scale was developed by Aaron T. Beck back in 1988. It was created to assess the feelings of hopelessness in people, specifically by looking at three major aspects of hopelessness: a person's expectations regarding life, their feelings about the future, and the loss of motivation. The Beck Hopelessness Scale should be able to help psychologists and adjacent healthcare practitioners develop plans that might restore their patients to states where they look forward to things, especially living. The following healthcare practitioners can use the Beck Hopelessness Scale for their respective practices: psychologists, psychiatrists, psychometricians, therapists, and counselors. Their clients will be engaging with the scale the most since they will be looking at themselves and see whether each item applies to them or not. To use our Beck Hopelessness Scale, follow these steps. Download our free Beck Hopelessness Scale off our Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. The Beck Hopelessness Scale comes in the form of a 20-item questionnaire. The patient must answer to the statements with true or false. Examples of some of these statements are: I don't expect to get what I really want. I can't imagine what my life would be like in 10 years. It is very unlikely that I will get any real satisfaction in the future. Next, tally the score. Each answer will either score a 0 or 1. Follow the scoring sheet provided in our Beck Hopelessness Scale. Depending on the score you receive, you will receive a designation which best fits with the answers you have provided. Here are the score ranges and their designation. 0 to 3 equals none or minimal, 4 to 8 equals mild, 9 to 14 equals moderate, and 15 to 20 equals severe, meaning they need support as soon as possible. Here is a sample of our Beck Hopelessness Scale from our Carepatron platform. To find our Beck Hopelessness Scale, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.